Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose and I'm back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, this is going to be a drill e-file unboxing demo review video. So if you guys want to see what drill I am talking about, then just keep on watching. So this review is going to be a bit all over the place because I'm filming on 2 separate days. So I'm going to have 2 separate makeup looks and 2 separate like nail styles and whatnot. So how this is going to go is there are going to be clips of me using the drill inserted, and then there's going to be a whole portion where I unbox it. So yeah, that is how this review is going to go. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So this is going to be like another inserted clip. I know I look crazy right now. I got my makeup on, I don't got no lipstick on. So yeah, I'm only doing this because I have 2 clients to do today and I want to use my new e-file. Yes, you heard it right, I got a new e-file. I saw Nikki B, I believe her name is on YouTube, and I saw her review this, and when I saw the review I was like, I need it, I want it, and I'm gonna get it. So I was trying to wait for Mother's Day to get my boyfriend to buy it for me, but I just couldn't wait because I'm so impatient. I'm super impatient, and I just dove in and got it. And the drill I am talking about is the Madenia electric nail drill. It says MD300 and I got mine's in pink. This is what the box looks like. On the side it says there are different colors, so black, white, purple, and pink, but on Amazon I only saw white and pink, and I low-key love pink, so I got pink. And then as far as plugs, it comes in a US, UK, EU, and AU plug. So yeah, that's what it says on that side. And then nothing on this side, and then on the back has some specifications. It shows you what it looks like, and nothing on this side. And this comes with the handpiece, a foot pedal, a little machine, and some drill bits, and like the thing to hold the hand drill. So I'm gonna open the box now. And that's what the inside looks like. Comes with the user manual on top, super thin. And then everything is nicely wrapped. It has this stuff on it. This is the actual machine. It's also bubble wrapped. Comes with the wire here. The foot pedal is on the side. The drill bits are right here. And the thing to hold the actual drill bit is also in here. And the hand piece is down here. So I'm going to take everything out the box and then I will show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is the machine. It comes with a little hole so you can put your drill bits. And I was reading the reviews on Amazon and everyone kept saying, like, I think the holes are like they're not like deep enough to hold the drill bits that they put in there, and like the bits fall out. So I'm going to see about that. And also this doesn't have a marker, so what I'm going to do is add a marker myself. So I'm probably gonna put like use a Sharpie or add a little jewel so I know where I'm at. And I love the pink color, super pretty. The machine is super small, so super travel friendly. Like it pretty much fits in my hand, so that is pretty cool. And this is the hand piece. It feels super nice in the hand. Like, I'm super excited for this. I also love the pink on this. I love the grip. Like on the e-file that I have now, I had to put electric tape around it because it's super slippery. There's no like grooves in it to hold on to it, so I put tape on it. But This has this part right here, which has like these little grooves, which feels super nice, and it's like a nice grip. So yeah, I can't wait to play with this today. Oh, and then this is the thing that holds it, so you can just rest it. Sorry. Yeah, you can just rest it on this when you're not using it. And this is the foot pedal, and I'm going to play with this, just not on my clients. So I'm going to put this to the side, and then it comes with, let's see. Okay, so this thing is plastic, and this is the thing that holds the, like the sanding bit file paper thing. The one I have is metal, so I don't know why that one is plastic. So it comes with 2 of the filing sanding papers thing, and then it comes with 3 other bits. These 2 are usually good for the cuticles, and then the regular round one. But I have those already, so extras are never a bad thing. But yeah, I'm going to plug this in and turn it on and see how loud it is and how fast it goes. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I plugged the machine in, and I also added a little SS3 right there, and I used the Zule Bling adhesive, which is freaking bomb. Look at all my bling is still on my nails. Okay, so back to this. So on the side it says forward reverse right here, and I obviously want mine in forward. I take it that this little hole right here that says motor is for this, so I'm going to plug that in, and then it has the on and off button. And then back here is also says forward, and then H. I'm not sure what that means, but oh, okay, so I'm assuming it's like foot pedal and then handheld, so maybe. So let's see. Okay, so I read the directions, kind of, skimmed. So it says that I need to turn this pink part all the way to the left until I hear a click, and then take this part out, and let's see. It's a little bit rough, but okay, so I inserted my safety bit, and it's pretty sturdy in there. So now let's turn it on. Okay, so yeah, I put it on the H, and now it's working. So I'm gonna turn the speed up. I'm still in the green. Now I'm in the yellow. Okay, so I brought it all the way to red, not all the way to the top of the red, because I don't want it to blow up or nothing. I'm like super paranoid with stuff like that. But it is super nice, and I'm going to try to file this off. Right now I'm using a coarse smooth top safety bit, and I'm gonna start off with the green, and I need a fill, or I'm gonna need a fill soon because I've had these on for almost 2 weeks. So I'm just gonna try to take the gel polish off. Let's see, maybe I can show you guys like this. Okay, so it's not really doing much, so I'm gonna go to yellow. Okay, I'm gonna go to red then. Alright, so it is filing off the gel polish. I had to bring it all the way to red. I'm not sure. Maybe I think I might have put too much top coat on my nails, but it seems to be doing a good job. It's super smooth, super lightweight in the hand, and feels really nice. Yeah, so it's falling off the gel polish really nice. It is, I wish it would be like a little bit faster, so I'm gonna raise it more and see. Yeah, so it's definitely taking off the gel polish. So that is pretty nice. I am waiting for a tripod, so when I get my tripod, I will show you guys more in depth, more about the e-file. I'm probably gonna do a separate video on this. I did just want to show you guys a quick little demo so you guys can see, but yeah, I just wanted you guys to see the whole unboxing process. Okay, so that is it for this little part of the drill, and yeah, so let's get back to the original video. So now that you guys seen the unboxing and the actual demoing of the drill, so I'm just gonna give you guys my final thoughts on the drill. Overall, I would give this, out of a scale of 1 to 10, a 10. I actually love the way it feels in the hand. I have it set up on my desk. I love the handpiece. It's super lightweight, comfortable in the hand. I love that it comes with something to hold the handpiece when you're not using it. I love the actual like machine, like this part. I love the color. The only thing I haven't played around with was the foot paddle and the drills that it comes with, because I have my own drills that are similar to those, so no need to, you know, use those unless I have to. But yeah, I love it, and I highly, highly recommend. I did use, I'm gonna try to get this right. I want to say it's Nikki B on YouTube, or it's Nicole B on YouTube. I used her promo code. I got, I think, 10 or 20% off. It's originally $50, and with her discount code it brought it down to 50. So yeah, super great deal. If you have any questions about the e-file, drop them down below and I will answer them if I can. And if you have not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you guys go. I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!